Welcome to PreMath. In this video, we are going to solve this given exponential equation 7 power 2x plus 1 times 8 power x minus 1/3 equal to 798. In other words, we are going to solve for x. Please don't forget to give a thumbs up and subscribe. Let's go ahead and get started with the solution. Now let's recall the product rule of exponents. We are going to use this rule to manipulate this left hand side. So therefore this 7 power 2x plus 1 could be written as 7 power 2x times 7 power 1, and then times I can do this second one as 8 power x times 8 power negative 1/3 equal to 798. And now let's focus on 7 power 2x, and here I have copied it down. And now let's recall the power rule of exponents. We are going to use rule over here. So this 7 power 2x could be written as 7 power 2 and then whole power x. And now we can see 7 power 2 is 49. Therefore 7 power 2x has been simplified to 49 power x. So therefore 7 power 2x, I'm going to replace it by 49 power x, and then I'm going to write this 8 power x next to it. I'm going to write down 8 power x, and then I'm going to write down 7 power 1, which is same as 7, and then 8 power negative 1/3 equal to 798. And now this whole part could be written as 49 times 8 and then whole power x times 7, and then times this thing could be written as 1 divided by 8 power 1/3 with a positive exponent equal to 798. And now we know that 49 times 8 is 392. So therefore I can write 392 whole power x times 7 and then times. And now let's focus on this 8 power 1/3. And here I have copied it down, and we can see that 8 is same as 2 power 3. So therefore we can write this thing 2 power 3 and then power 1/3. Now let's recall this power rule once again. We are going to apply over here. We are going to multiply out these two nested exponents. I'm going to replace this 8 power 1/3 as 2. So therefore this is times 1 divided by 2 equal to 798. And here in this next step, 7 times 1 over 2 could be written as 7 divided by 2. Let's go ahead and remove this fraction 7 divided by 2 by multiplying its reciprocal. So 2 divided by 7 on this side, 2 divided by 7 on this side as well. And here we can see this 2 and 2 is gone, 7 and 7 is gone. So we got 392 power x equals to 228 when we multiply out this whole thing. And now we are going to take log on both sides. Let me go ahead and put a log on the left hand side and log on the right hand side as well. And now let's recall this power rule. According to this rule, this exponent x, we can move it all the way to the front. So therefore we can write x times log of 392 equals to log of 228. And now we are going to solve for x. So I'm going to divide both sides by log of 392 on this side, and I'm going to divide log of 392 on this side as well. Now we can see on the left hand side this cancels out with this one, so therefore we are ended up with x equal to log of 228 divided by log of 392. And now let's recall the change of base rule. We are going to apply it on this right hand side. So therefore x equals to log of 228 with this base 392. So thus our solution could be written as either in this form or this one. Both are perfectly alright. Here's our final solution, and if we use a scientific calculator, x is approximately equal to 0.91. Thanks for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more exciting videos. Bye.